Drink, 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 Pion.
Yes, ma'am. Which tea? Cutting.
No tea, yaar. Call the employee.
Okay.
Hey, where are you coming? It's ladies' coach and it's overcrowded. Don't come here. Okay. Oh no! Where is my favorite cap? Someone has stolen it. I want to go to policeman. Policeman, policeman. What happened to you? Someone has stolen my favorite cap. So what can I do?
कॉन्वर्सेशनल बेस्ड एक्ट एक ऐसा सेशन जिसमें हमने अपने ब्रेन्स को डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस में इन्वॉल्व किया है, जिसका मेन मोटिव है उनको नेचुरली स्पोकन वॉइस टर्न करना और साथ ही साथ उनके वर्ड मीनिंग्स पे फोकस करना कि वो जब भी इंग्लिश में बोले तो वो कैसे नेचुरली अपने इमोशंस को डिलीवर कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं इस एक्टिविटी को हमारे ब्रेन और कितना इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं। लेट्स गो।
Hello, hello, hello. Hi everyone. Today's our situation is business. So let's start. Good morning, sir.
कम इन मैनेजर।
Sir, this time our company is getting in loss. What should we do?
Why our company getting lost? Our corporation should be managed. Why our corporation should be? You are very talented guy. You have to do this.
Sorry, sir. Surely I will arrange a meeting tomorrow.
Okay.
Drink, 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 Pion.
Yes, ma'am. Which tea? Cutting.
No tea, yaar. Call the employee.
Okay. Ma'am ji, this ma'am is coming. This manager is calling you.
Okay, go. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. What is happening in our company? Our company is getting in loss. Okay, ma'am, I will arrange the meeting of tomorrow. So, can you tell me what is the profit? Our profit is only 10%, and we are getting in loss a lot. Okay, ma'am. It is very important, so there will be a meeting. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Tomorrow.
So yes, guys, we want to become entrepreneur because our business is getting so much loss. On this time, I am thinking we have to take loan from the bank.
But what do you think, sir? It's a very risky. Yeah, I think we should take risk this time.
Yes, manager, you are right. Just chill. We have to take.
But this time clients are just coming and rejecting our designs.
So I am telling you are very talented guy. You have to change.
Arey, what are you saying? So that I want, it's very risky. So now we are take or not, it's revenue what?
Our revenue is only 30 lakhs. We have to work about that, and I am announcing our budget. Our budget is low, but we have to.
I think that should be 10 lakh only.
Yes, I am also all about this, and not all about this. And if we have to do advertisement, so we have also do this.
Yeah, we should ask for the advertisement.
Yes.
Thank you. So hey everyone, our situation is metro station and I am a lady and she is my helper. Hey. Where is entry gate? Right to left, then straight, then right to left. Okay. So, where is ticket counter? Hey, can you recharge my smart card? Okay. 500. I have to pay. How much fare I have to pay? Beside you, ticket counter is 200 only. So take it from there. So why are you coming here? Oh, so sorry. Can you give me token? So give me a recharge back. Take it, token, 25 rupees. Okay, take it. When will metro come? Hey, where are you coming? It's ladies' coach and it's overcrowded. Don't come here. Okay. Actually, this route is going wrong. Hey driver! I think this route is going wrong. Are you a driver or I am a driver? You are a driver. So let me do it now. I go from here. You don't know how to drive. Alright, you go from here. I am a driver. Okay. Don't be angry. Where is exit gate now? Exit gate. Here it is. Thank you everyone. Hey everyone, our situation is at the police station. Oh no, where is my favorite cab? Someone has stolen it. I want to go to policeman. Policeman. What happened to you? Someone has stolen my favorite cab. means that he is the witness. Yeah, you're saying that he is a witness. So call him. Okay, I am calling him. Hello, Ahid, come here. He is the witness. Yes, I saw him that when I am stopping him, so he pushed me and ran away from there. See, now like the FIR, and if you leave him so now, so see, I will complain to Supreme Court. No, it's my duty. Why I give him to bail? He is a criminal. One day he will also raid on my home. So you don't want to leave him and don't give him bail as well. Yes, I don't, and I tie it with handcuffs. Okay. Okay, now go. Thank you.
So देखा आपने, इन बच्चों के लिए इंग्लिश में कॉन्वर्सेशन करना कितना आसान है, क्योंकि इन बच्चों ने भी बर इंग्लिश एकेडमी का सिंपल सा फंडा अपनाया है। इंग्लिश के इमोशन को सीखना, समझना और नेचुरली उसको ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलना। अगर आप भी इंग्लिश को ज्यादा टाइम देते हो प्रैक्टिस करने में, तो ये लैंग्वेज आपके लिए भी उतनी ही इजी हो जाएगी। सो अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपका बच्चा भी इन्हीं बच्चों की तो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली अपने इमोशंस को प्रेजेंट कर पाए, साथ ही साथ इंग्लिश को टेंशन नहीं एक फन लैंग्वेज की तरह सीखे, तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं हमारे बर इंग्लिश एकेडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म को। थैंक यू सो मच।